The American car is getting older. This isn't just a passing observation, it's a significant trend that has been developing over the years. The average age of a car on US roads is now almost 14 years old. This statistic is quite telling when you consider the rapid advancements in automotive technology and the increasing availability of new car models. This is a big change from the past. In the 1980s and 1990s, it was common for Americans to trade in their cars every few years, eager to upgrade to the latest model with new features and improved performance. Years ago, people traded in their cars for new models more often. Dealerships were bustling with activity as consumers sought the latest innovations and styles. There are many reasons for this trend. Economic factors play a significant role, as the cost of new cars has risen substantially, making it more challenging for the average consumer to afford frequent upgrades. Some reasons are about money. The financial burden of purchasing a new vehicle, coupled with the increasing cost of living, has led many to hold on to their older cars for longer periods. Other reasons are about how cars are made now. Modern vehicles are built to last longer, with improved durability and reliability, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This change is having a big impact on the car industry. Dealerships and manufacturers are adapting their strategies to cater to a market where consumers are more inclined to maintain and repair their existing vehicles rather than purchase new ones. Car companies need to adapt to how people are using their cars. This includes offering more robust after-sales services, extended warranties, and promoting certified pre-owned vehicles as viable alternatives to new cars. In this essay, we will explore why Americans are keeping their cars longer and what it means for the future. We will delve into the economic, technological, and cultural factors driving this trend and examine how it is reshaping the automotive landscape. From the rise of the used car market to the growing importance of vehicle maintenance and repair services, the implications are far-reaching. Join us as we take a closer look at the aging fleet on American roads and uncover the stories behind the statistics. One of the biggest reasons people are keeping their cars longer is the cost of new cars. New cars are expensive. Many people cannot afford to buy a new car very often. Another reason is that cars are made better than they used to be. Cars last longer and need fewer repairs. People feel like they can keep their older cars for longer without having problems. Finally, some people are choosing to keep their cars longer because they want to. They like their old cars. They do not feel the need to have the newest model. The trend of keeping cars longer has a big impact on the car industry. In recent years, more and more people are choosing to hold on to their vehicles for extended periods, often well beyond the traditional 3 to 5 year cycle. This shift in consumer behavior is reshaping the landscape of the auto industry in significant ways. Car companies are selling fewer new cars. This decline in new car sales is prompting automakers to rethink their strategies and explore alternative revenue streams. The days of relying solely on the sale of brand new vehicles are fading, and companies must adapt to survive. This means they need to find new ways to make money. Auto manufacturers and dealerships are brainstorming innovative solutions to stay profitable. They are diversifying their offerings and looking for creative ways to engage with customers and meet their evolving needs. One way they are doing this is by selling more used cars. The used car market has become a crucial component of the auto industry's business model. By focusing on pre-owned vehicles, dealerships can attract a broader range of customers who are looking for more budget-friendly options. Used cars are more affordable, so they are a good option for people who are keeping their cars longer. These vehicles offer a cost-effective alternative for those who want to avoid the steep depreciation that comes with buying new. Additionally, many used cars are now certified pre-owned, providing buyers with added peace of mind. Car companies are also changing the way they design and build cars. They are investing in research and development to create vehicles that are more durable and reliable. This focus on longevity is a direct response to the growing demand for cars that can withstand the test of time. They are making cars that are built to last longer. By incorporating advanced materials and cutting-edge technology, automakers are enhancing the durability and performance of their vehicles. This not only benefits consumers but also helps manufacturers build a reputation for quality and dependability. This helps them appeal to customers who want to keep their cars for many years. As a result, car companies are fostering stronger relationships with their customers, who appreciate the value and reliability of their long-lasting vehicles. This shift towards durability and customer satisfaction is reshaping the future of the auto industry. Section 4. Keeping up appearances. Maintaining your aging automobile. If you are planning to keep your car for a long time, it is important to take good care of it. Regular maintenance is key. This means getting your oil changed, your tires rotated, and your brakes checked. It is also important to be prepared for repairs. Older cars are more likely to need repairs. Setting aside some money each month for car repairs can help you avoid being caught off guard by a big repair bill. Section 5. Used cars, new strategies, navigating the changing market. As more people keep their cars longer, the used car market is booming. This means there are more used cars available than ever before. This can be good for buyers, as it can drive down prices. However, it is important to be careful when buying a used car. It is important to get a vehicle history report and to have the car inspected by a mechanic before you buy it. Section 6. The road ahead. What does the future hold? It is difficult to say for sure what the future holds for the car industry. However, it is likely that the trend of keeping cars longer will continue. This means that car companies will need to continue to adapt. They will need to find new ways to make money and to appeal to customers who are keeping their cars for longer periods of time. Section 7. Conclusion. Steering into an uncertain future. The American car is getting older, and this trend is having a ripple effect on the automotive industry. As we look around, it's evident that the average age of vehicles on the road is increasing. This shift is not just a fleeting trend, but a significant change that impacts various facets of the automotive world. From the economics of car ownership to the strategies of manufacturers, the landscape is changing. Car manufacturers are now faced with the challenge of adapting to a market where new car sales are no longer the primary focus. Instead, they must consider the growing importance of the used car market and the need to support vehicles that are staying on the road for longer periods. As consumers hold on to their vehicles for longer, driven by financial considerations and improved car longevity, the industry must adapt. Families are finding it more economical to maintain and repair their existing cars rather than investing in new ones. This shift is leading to a rise in demand for quality maintenance services and reliable repair shops. This means focusing on the used car market, building longer-lasting vehicles, and ensuring that these vehicles remain reliable and safe for extended periods. Dealerships are now placing greater emphasis on certified pre-owned programs, offering warranties and assurances that were once reserved for new cars, and finding innovative ways to engage with customers who prioritize value and durability. Car companies are investing in new technologies that enhance the longevity and performance of their vehicles. Innovations such as advanced diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and improved materials are becoming key selling points. Additionally, the rise of electric and hybrid vehicles is adding another layer of complexity to the industry. These vehicles promise longer lifespans and lower maintenance costs, further encouraging consumers to hold on to their cars for longer. The road ahead may be uncertain, but one thing is clear: the American driver is holding on to the wheel for longer than ever before. This new reality is reshaping the automotive industry, pushing it towards a future where longevity, reliability, and value are paramount. As we steer into this uncertain future, both consumers and manufacturers must navigate these changes with foresight and adaptability.